Today we're heading to the wonderful northern beaches of Coffs Harbour. Hello and welcome. Please find a link in the description below to a detailed map, also with other information including fire and flood information, as well as links to my photographic equipment if you're interested. We're at stunning Arrawarra Beach, which is in the northern beaches of the Coffs Coast region in northern New South Wales. Arrawarra is a really popular spot for local surfers. With a right-handed point break, you'll find, like we did, these longboard riders riding the waves in the morning, along with boat ramp and picnic tables and amenities at Arrawarra Headland Reserve. It really makes for a great morning or day visit. Today we're just walking through beautiful Arrawarra Headland and then all the way through to Ocean View Headland and on to Mullaway Beach. I would like to acknowledge and pay my respect to the Gambanga people, the traditional custodians on this land and waters on which this filming takes place. The Arrawarra Headland, as well as the stone traps and associated areas at Arrawarra, are very important to the Garbi elders, their families and the wider local Aboriginal community. It is an area where traditions and knowledge relating to ceremonial places is passed on, and a rich place for collecting shellfish and other natural resources for eating. Arrawarra Headland and fish stone traps are positioned within the Solitary Islands Marine Park and are a predominant feature on the landscape. The main fish trap is constructed of stone from the headland and is about 40 square foot and 3 foot deep. Arrawarra means meeting place, and the Garbi elders and people hold strong attachments to the ocean and shores in the Arrawarra area. Arrawarra Headland, including the stone fish traps and associated landscapes, have been used for thousands of years for cultural activities such as gathering, storytelling and resource use. We came up over a couple of weekends to do some filming, and particularly at sunrise because it was so spectacular. This is a really nice gliding shot using my Mavic Air 2, which is running down Ocean View Beach and into Ocean View Headland. We stayed on the headland for some time because the sunrise was absolutely spectacular. It was a little bit stormy, so it gave it that really nice iridescent quality that you can see. And the wind wasn't too bad, so I could actually get in quite a few drone shots in this filming session. Arrawarra, Mullaway and Woolgoolga are all part of the Solitary Islands Marine Park, which is the third largest marine protected area in New South Wales. It covers a total area of 71,000 hectares and extends along 75 kilometres of coast from Coffs Harbour North to the Sand and River mouth. The park is home to a huge diversity of marine life, with the tropical, temperate and subtropical species of fish, coral and algae being the main attraction for divers. Signage suggests where suggested activities such as diving, fishing and collecting may be undertaken. The marine park includes tidal waters of estuaries, beaches and headlands within its boundaries and is protected by a special zoning scheme designed to protect fish habitat. We are currently walking around Ocean View Headland, which is in between Arrawarra and Mullaway, and this is part of the Solitary Islands Coastal Walk, which traverses around 60 kilometres of beaches and rainforest on the Coffs coast. And this smaller section, which is accessed from Arrawarra Headland, takes you through all the way down to Ogoolga Beach and beyond. And in part 2 we'll show you Mullaway Beach. It is absolutely breathtaking with this sunrise, and then we'll take you through the beach and we'll end up on Mullaway Headland, which overlooks towards Ogoolga, and we'll catch some fantastic surfing action as well. Like and subscribe and we'll catch you in part 2.